How to create an NFT collection in 3 minutes. All you need to get started is a browser and Photoshop. Use Photoshop to create your NFT traits. Make sure to follow the NFT project structure. Use 10NFT.com to make your collection. But first, make sure that you have MetaMask installed. Import the PSD file to the website. Set the rarity of each trait and make sure that the rarity of each group is 100%. Set the number of NFTs you want to generate. Click Generate. Your collection is ready to be downloaded. You'll need to create an account or login and get some credits. Click Download Collection. Your collection will be downloaded with all your images and metadata files. Now it's time to upload to the IPFS. Click Start Uploading. Good, all our files are hosted on the IPFS. Now you can make your smart contract. Connect your wallet. Add Polygon network for fewer gas fees. Deploy smart contract. Perfect. Your collection is ready now and it's on the blockchain. The last step is to mint your NFTs. Mint your first 100 NFTs. And check OpenSea or Rarible or any NFT marketplace that supports Ethereum. You'll find your NFTs listed. Then mint the remaining NFTs. Stay tuned for the full tutorial video. Thank you for watching.